Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create text-to-speech YouTube videos using pictory.ai and earn easy money by posting them. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use pictory.ai to create professional quality text-to-speech videos that you can monetize on YouTube. If you want to follow along, be sure to visit the pictory.ai website by clicking the link in the description below. That makes sure we all start on the same page and you don't get confused. Step 1. Sign up for a pictory.ai account. The first step to creating text-to-speech videos with pictory.ai is to sign up for an account. To do this, go to the pictory.ai website by clicking the top link in the description and click on the Free Trial button in the top right corner of the homepage. You will be redirected to a form where you can enter your email address and create a password. Once you have filled out the form and agreed to the terms and conditions, click the Sign Up button to complete the process. You will then be logged into your new pictory.ai account and can start creating your text-to-speech videos. Step 2. Choose a template. Once you have signed up for a pictory.ai account and logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. From here, you can start creating your text-to-speech video by choosing a template. To do this, click on the script to video option on the left side of the screen. Just write in your script and hit proceed. Pictory.ai offers a variety of templates to choose from, including templates for explainer videos, promotional videos, and more. Simply select the template that best fits your needs and customize it to your liking. Step 3. Add your text and media. You can also use the built-in media library to add images and videos to enhance your message. Simply click on the Add Media button and browse through the library to find the assets you want to use. You can also upload your own images and videos by clicking on the Upload button. Step 4. Customize your voice and language. Pictory.ai offers a wide range of voices and languages to choose from, so you can customize your text-to-speech video to fit your target audience. To choose your voice and language, click on the Audio tab in the left sidebar. Then, press VoiceOver to choose your text-to-speech voice. From here, you can select the voice and language that you want to use from the drop-down menus. You can also customize the speaking rate and pitch of the voice to suit your preferences. Step 5. Publish and monetize your video. Once you have finished creating your text-to-speech video, it's time to publish it on YouTube and start earning money. To do this, click on the Generate button in the top right corner of the dashboard and upload it onto YouTube. And now you are done. You have taken the first step in becoming a wealthy entrepreneur. In addition to creating and promoting your text-to-speech videos, it's also important to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in the YouTube community. This can help you stay ahead of the competition and increase your chances of earning money from your videos. If you want to keep using Pictory in the future, use code CNN9X at checkout to get 20% off. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create text-to-speech videos using pictory.ai and earn money from them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now able to create professional quality text-to-speech videos that you can monetize on YouTube. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the pictory.ai team for support. Remember, the key to making money with your text-to-speech videos on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. By using tools like pictory.ai to create professional quality videos and promoting your content on social media and other platforms, you can grow your channel and increase your chances of earning money from your videos. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money with your text-to-speech videos on YouTube. See you in the next video.